Mapping is how Make knows what information to get from one app and which app to send it to. Let me show you how it works. Here we have a scenario in Make that is watching new responses to a feedback form in Google Forms, and then we want to use AI to analyze the feedback. Before I go ahead and map this AI analysis module, what we always want to do is run and get some test data. So I'm going to right click on this Google Forms step and run this module only. And here you have to have made sure we already have had some responses to our Google form. In my case, I submitted a test submission earlier, and we can see here we have the three fields: the name, email address, and feedback field. And as you might notice in Make, we actually need to go and dive down in to these fields, keep clicking into them to actually find the answer. And this is very important to understand when we're actually mapping our fields. So over in our AI analysis module, now in the text to analyze, we can see we have some dummy data here coming from the previous Google Forms step, and we can see our answers object. Whenever you notice this little toggle button, it means there's some more information contained in this field. So you shouldn't map this field specifically. This is a collection, but rather click through and find the exact answer. So in our case, we've had to click down a few levels in our Google form, and here we have the value coming from our feedback. And now when I want to map this to the text to analyze, I have two options. Either I can simply drag and drop this field into the other field where we want to send the information to, or if I have my cursor selected in this field, I can simply click on the field I want to add. Now, mapping isn't only something that can be done between two modules, but rather any modules you add in your Make scenario. So let's say in this example, we want to add a Google Sheet to save the information from the form as well as the AI analysis. Now, when I click into our Google Sheets step and click in a field to map, now you'll notice we get access to not only the answers from our Google form, but also the result of that AI analysis. And that's because in Make, you're able to map any module that happens in a previous step. Two more things to point out. In Make, you're not limited to only mapping one data point in a specific field. So imagine if instead of the full name here, we had two fields, first name and last name, you are able to map two data points and as well add a space in the middle. And also you can combine data coming from a previous step with some fixed text. So you could write something like the sentiment is, and this will dynamically replace the sentiment coming from our AI analysis step.